number 6 in data handling chapter 3, and they have given here a tablet column, and the question is take the data given the maximum and the minimum temperature of various cities given in the beginning of the chapter. So this is the tabular column that has been given in the beginning of the chapter. So they have given here few questions, and the tabular column is about the cities Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, and Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, Jammu, Mumbai, and here they have given a maximum temperature of those cities and minimum temperature of those cities. So I have drawn the tabular column as one scale as 10 degrees Celsius as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 till 90, and temperature has given be here. And this side I have noted the cities as Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, Jammu and Mumbai, and I have marked the reading, and the red is the maximum and the blue is the minimum. Okay, the first question is which city has the largest difference in the maximum and minimum and the maximum temperature on the given data. Okay, so we need to find the largest difference in the maximum and minimum temperature of the given data. Here, by seeing this graph, only one city has the largest. The highest temperature here is Jammu. It is about 41 degrees Celsius, and the very lowest is 26 degrees Celsius. So the answer for the first one is the largest difference is Jammu. Okay, the second question, which is the hottest city and which is the coldest city? Here, by seeing this graph, hottest city is Jammu and the coldest city is Bangalore, which is the lowest. Hottest city in Jammu. Jammu has the hottest 41 degrees Celsius, whereas the coldest city is 21 degrees Celsius, that is Bangalore. So the answer, hottest city, coldest city. So the hottest city, by seeing this graph, you will be knowing the hottest city is Jammu. And by seeing this graph, you can easily find out the coldest city is Bangalore, which is only of about this is the lowest, and which is only of about 21 degrees Celsius. Okay, the next question, name two cities where the maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of the other. This question is actually a little tricky and a little confusing. So what they are asking here is the maximum, name two cities where the maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of the other. So by seeing this graph, which is the maximum temperature is what? Maximum temperature of the one is lowest of. Maximum temperature of one was less than the minimum temperature of the other. So what they are asking, this question is really tricky. They are asking there should be a temperature of a maximum and the minimum should be higher than the maximum temperature. Consider 38. Is there any temperature higher in minimum than the maximum temperature? It is 38. There is anything higher than the temperature in minimum? No. 37. Is there any temperature higher in minimum above 37? No. Consider 28. Is there any temperature higher than 28 temperature in minimum? Yes, 29. 29 is higher than 28, right? And is there any other temperature? There is another temperature, is Jaipur. Yes, it is higher than the 28 degree Celsius. 36. Is there any temperature higher than the 36 in the minimum column? No. Again, it is 39. Is there any temperature higher in minimum column than the maximum? No. So likewise, Jammu and Kashmir is 41 degree, that is highest. Is there any temperature in the minimum column that is highest than 41 degree? No. The only place is Bangalore, that is 28 degree Celsius, and the higher of those are Ahmedabad and Jaipur. So the two cities are, one is Bangalore and Jaipur. And other city is Bangalore and Ahmedabad. The fourth question, name the city which has the least difference between the minimum and the maximum temperature. So what they are asking is, we need to find the city which has very least difference between the minimum and the maximum. This is vice versa. The first question. First question is, which city has a large difference of minimum maximum? So the large difference is, we found out that Jammu and Kashmir has a large difference. Here the fourth question is the vice versa of the question. Name the city which has the least difference between its minimum and the maximum temperature. So we need to find the least difference. So by seeing this graph, the least difference between maximum difference is Jammu, where the highest is 41 degree and the lowest is 21 degree. We need to find the least difference. So the least difference is very least. For Ahmedabad, it is 38 degree and 29 degree. Mumbai, it is 32, 27 degree. They all have a more gap between the maximum minimum, but only Mumbai have a difference of 32 degree and very least difference between them, that is 27 degree. But other cities have more gaps between them, so there are obviously more gaps, and the least difference is only city, that is Mumbai. So the answer of the fourth one is Mumbai.